If you're looking into Epidemic Sound and you want to know what it's like and all of the features, then I'm going to go through everything here. So you'll need to create an account first. And if you are a creator or a YouTuber, something like that, then when you are signing up, just choose the online platform option when you do sign up. But it's a normal sign up process. Just create an account and I'll see you in my account. Okay, so we're in the website now and I've signed in to my platform. So I'm just going to go to the Me option and see some of the features that you get with Epidemic Sound. If we go to the account portion, if you go to subscriptions, you can see you can actually have an account on all of these different channels. So you can have a YouTube account on this subscription, an Instagram, a Twitch as well, a Facebook, and you can link to a podcast. So you can have essentially one channel on all of these different sites, all with this one subscription. If you have 2 YouTube channels, 2 Twitch channels, or more than one Facebook account, then you can't use 2 of those accounts with one subscription. You're going to have to get another subscription. So only one account per platform. If we move up to licenses and receipts as well, there are essentially 2 different ways that you can use Epidemic Sound. The first is a subscription, and that means that, well, throughout the year that you've paid for it, you can use absolutely as many songs as you want. All of them are royalty free. The other way you can do it is single track licensing, and you can pay one by one for tracks that you want to use in specific projects. It might be cheaper that way if you've just got a one-off project, but to be honest, I think a yearly subscription, if you are going to be making more than a few movies or YouTube videos or anything, is probably a good idea. If we go through to settings, you can see that when you do download the songs or the sound effects, you can just choose between them, either a WAV file or an MP3. So once you have signed up and you've got all your subscriptions and all your settings in the right place, then you're going to want to search for music. It has a featured page that just puts a lot of popular music into different categories, and you can search as well by genres, mood, and albums. So if we just go into electronica and dance, it will basically give you a bunch of the most popular or the latest songs that you can use, and you can also search by different categories. So for example, everything with tags like dreamy and hopeful. So if you click on dreamy, everything tagged with dreamy is now here. You can also click on a few different tags together to get really specific types of songs and vocals. And if you untag everything, then you just get the whole lot. Searching by genres is the same, just lots of tags down here, vocals as well. And you can search by length of the song as well and the beats per minute. So once you've found a song that you like, you may want to just preview it. So press the play button. But as you can see, when you do press the play button, it comes up with this bar at the bottom. So you can listen and scrub through it to see where the drops are, see if you like it. Also, something really cool is this option to essentially download stems. So you can download the full mix, which is the entire song. Maybe you just want to download the melody or the instruments or the bass line or the drums. And sometimes if there's vocals on a track, you can just download the vocals as well. That's definitely really, really cool, especially if there's a track that you like, but you don't like a certain part, or maybe you want to take the vocals out and download the other stems. So you can all do that from here. I think that's a really good option. You can find similar music to this one in terms of the style and what's tagged. Add to cart if you do buy one by one. You don't need to do that if you've got a subscription. If you have a subscription, you can just press the download button here. All of these options are also up beside each of the tracks individually as well to the right hand side. Epidemic Sound also has a ton of sound effects as well, and these are much like the songs. They're just all categorized and very easy to find. Of course, you can search through everything as well. For example, if I want a bird sound effects, then click through to sound effects, and I have an album of organic nature sounds, and there should be some birds here. Or if I want to search music, you can just search for the type of music that you want, and then you'll just get lots and lots of options that you can go and listen to and find the best one that you like. You can also create playlists as well. As you can see down here, add to playlist. So that's something that is very easy to categorize all your music. As you see, I've got some playlists myself, like outro music or BGM, and you can click through and you can also view that playlist as well. So you can just see all of the music that you've chosen in the past. So it's just really easy to get to. Epidemic Sound have also recently added this referral feature as well. So if you are an account holder and you think that you can maybe get some friends to sign up, there is a referral link which you can copy, and for every person that signs up, then it will just give you a tiny credit to go towards your next payment of Epidemic Sound. As I am a user of Epidemic Sound, I guess I'll put my referral link in the description below. If you are thinking about going for Epidemic Sound, then obviously using it would benefit me a little bit, and obviously no cost to you. So a big thanks if you do use it. In terms of pricing on Epidemic Sound, as you may have seen, I pay about $144 a year. And to be honest, for the amount of music that I've used in the past, and it's really good music as well, I think it's worth it for me anyway. Definitely a lot of music, a lot to choose from, and I think it's categorized really well. So that's it for Epidemic Sound. Hopefully it was helpful for you. Sub if you did like it, and for way more like this, and I'll see you in the next one.